All right, today we are diving deep into a really powerful monitoring tool called uMobix. We're going to break down exactly what it is, how it works, and take a really close look at all the features that give you a complete picture of everything happening on a phone. So let's get into it. I mean, let's be honest, in the world we live in today, it's pretty much impossible not to worry about the people we care about. Whether it's your kids exploring the online world, a partner, or even older family members, you want to know they're safe and making smart choices on their phones.
So here's a quick look at what we're going to cover. First, we'll touch on why these kinds of digital solutions are so needed today. Then we'll introduce you to uMobix, show you how to set it up, explore all the things it can do, and finally, how you can try it out for yourself.
Okay, so let's start with the why. Our digital world has brought all these new and unique challenges, right? Everything from online safety to just digital trust. An app like this is really designed to be a modern solution for these modern worries, just to give you a little peace of mind.
And the reasons people use these tools are actually pretty straightforward. You might want to keep your kids safe from things they shouldn't be seeing online. Or maybe you need to get some clarity about what's going on with a significant other. It's also used to help make sure employees are staying productive on company phones, or even to protect older family members from all those dangerous online scams.
So, what's the answer to all these common worries? Well, meet uMobix. It's an app that's been built specifically to give you the insights and the information you're looking for, straight from the source.
Now, this is probably one of the most critical things to know about uMobix. Once it's installed, it runs in a totally hidden mode. It's completely invisible on the phone, which means the user will have no idea it's even there. This lets you monitor all the activity, well, secretly.
And you might be thinking, this sounds really complicated, but you'd be surprised by how simple the setup is. You seriously just need a few minutes with the actual phone in your hands to get everything up and running. Let's walk through how it's done. For an Android phone, it's a super simple three-step process. First, you sign up and pick a plan that works for you. Second, you'll get an email with a link to download the app onto the target phone. And finally, you just follow the really easy instructions to finish the installation. And that's it. You're all set.
For an iPhone, the process is a little different, but it's just as simple. After you choose your plan, you'll just need to enter the phone's iCloud login details. A security code will get sent to their phone. You enter that code, and your account will automatically sync up and connect. You don't even have to download an app. It is important to know that there's a difference between the two versions. The Android app has every single feature we're about to cover, which really makes it the most powerful option. The iOS version still gives you all the key essentials, though, like their call logs, contacts, iMessages, and web history. All right, now for the really cool part, the features. Let's dive into exactly what uMobix lets you see so you can get a complete, crystal clear picture of all the activity on the device. First up, calls and contacts. uMobix lets you see every single call, incoming, outgoing, missed, and even calls that have been deleted from the log. You can see how long each call was and exactly when it happened. Plus, you get full access to their entire phone book and can even see if contacts get deleted or if they change the names. The monitoring also extends to text messages. You can read everything they send and receive, and even messages that have been deleted. But beyond just talking and texting, uMobix gives you real-time GPS tracking. It shows you the phone's exact location on a map, so you can literally follow their movements for safety and, for your own peace of mind.
In today's world, so much happens on social media, right? Well, with uMobix, you can see their conversations on popular apps like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and others. You can view all the texts, the pictures, and the videos they're sharing. You also get to see every single photo and video that's just stored on the device itself. Now, this right here is one of the most powerful features. It's called the Keylogger, and it records every single thing that is typed on the phone's keyboard. And I mean everything. Usernames, passwords, web searches, little notes they're typing. If they type it, you'll see it. What really sets uMobix apart from the competition is that it offers features you just won't find anywhere else. It goes way beyond the basics to give you a level of access that other apps simply can't match. For example, uMobix gives you remote access to the phone's camera and microphone. You can actually stream a live video feed from either the front or the back camera. Or if the view is blocked, say it's in a pocket, you can just turn on the microphone to hear what's happening around the phone. This can be absolutely critical if you're worried about someone's immediate safety. So after hearing about all of those incredible features, you're probably wondering about the price. Let's talk about the subscription plans and how you can get started. The pricing is actually very affordable. While you can pay month to month, the best deal by far is the annual plan. That brings the cost down to just $12.50 per month, which saves you a lot of money in the long run.
It's also important to note that each subscription covers a single device. It's really designed for that focused kind of monitoring, whether it's for your child's phone, your partner's, or an elderly family member's device.
So, to sum it all up, uMobix is really a fantastic spy app. Its huge range of features, especially those advanced options like the live streaming, make it a super powerful choice. It's highly recommended for anyone needing to monitor an Android device.
So that wraps up our look at uMobix. If you're interested in giving it a try for yourself, just check out the link I've put in the description below to get started. Thanks for watching.